good, everyone? I got this in the mail yesterday. It is PERRIN short ram air intake, because I have a front mount intercooler and a cold air intake is not gonna fit unless I get a specific setup. But yeah, here it is, guys. Here's the tube where the math goes. It's pretty legit. Silicone, and here's the filter. Got it for about 180, 200. I don't remember. And here is for a bracket, I guess. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the install and the fitment. This is kind of wet, that's weird. So yeah, so for the install of it, I already have everything disconnected. Pretty sure I have to pop this out. The front mount intercooler is already off. Well, for this side of the tubing, it's already off. Yeah, hopefully everything fits. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna sit right here. I don't know how that's gonna go around it. Hopefully everything goes well. But here is the front. Hopefully I can test it out today or tonight or tomorrow. I'm probably gonna do it tomorrow because there's no sun out right now. So yeah. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get this. This is where it's gonna go on this tubing, where it goes back to the turbo. You wanna put the clamps in there before you install it, at least the first one, and then just kind of pop it in. Seat it at the bottom, fish it to the top, and then boom, you're in there. I'm gonna use the old one. Pretty sure it's for this one. And then I'm gonna use this one. And let's see, how are we gonna do this? Yeah, so I cheated a little bit. I got it to fit, but right now it's like making contact with the front mount intercooler piping, but I don't think that's really a big deal. I just kind of twisted it that way a little bit inwards, and got it to go down under, and this was in like all the way in here, but I can feel the tubing like right here, and I put the clamp right here, so hopefully it doesn't leak. And yeah, so what I'm gonna do now is put the mat back on and see how she sounds. Tomorrow I'm gonna be driving it, see how she drives. So yeah, hopefully the battery is still good, because I haven't started this thing in like 4 days. So yeah, we'll see. started this thing in like 4 days, so it was kind of idling really high, and I think it's just now learning. But yeah, next thing I'm gonna do is test drive it tomorrow and pretty much just get it tuned. So yeah, peace guys. Today's the day that we go for a test drive on Subaru. Not gonna lie, I went out last night and test drove it for a little bit. Kind of broke down on me because I forgot to tighten the clamps on the throttle body for the intercooler piping, but we should be good now. Like I said, I think I just gotta get a tune. It's kind of idling still, kind of like a little rough, but yeah, we're gonna see how this drives. I gotta go to the post office and send a box to a customer. So yeah, let's send it. Here's the G8, guys. Drove this thing PA for a total of 6 hours, and she runs like a freaking champ. Yeah. I'm gonna record an exhaust clip for the G8. I don't know if you guys want to see an exhaust clip for the Subie, but yeah, we'll get to that later. So yeah, let's send it. Here we go. Oh yeah, if you guys didn't know, this thing came with a vape. No, I'm just playing. But I had this removed, the switches for the sunroof. It works for opening, but it doesn't close. So I think I'm gonna go to the dealership today and find me the switches. So I'm gonna replace this one too. But yeah, so I'm gonna drive with this open. I guess I'll just turn the heat on. I don't know. See what I mean? I'm pretty sure it just needs a tune, to be honest. But we're gonna go get gas and then go to the post office, and hopefully everything turns out fine. I should probably pull this thing out the garage real quick. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Hopefully it doesn't rain today, or I'm gonna be screwed. Oh yeah, I took the splitter off and the fog lights, because one of them doesn't have, or one of them's working and the other one bulbs out. So we're just gonna sit here and let it warm up. Ooh, there's a spider in here. Check that out. Get out of here, Spidey. Go on now. Look, it's kind of idling okay. I hope it stays down under a grand. Looks like it's idling just fine. Looks okay. Oh. Don't want to break down. Oh, I should probably bring some tools as well. Yeah, I'm gonna bring some tools just in case. Alright, I'm gonna turn this off real quick. Alright guys, it's been driving fine. I just wanted you guys to see the last bits of it before I head home. It's just like I said again, the idle's a little bit rough, but not as rough as before, since I got the intake in. Hopefully I can get a tune next month. Shout out to car. And shout out to Freddy. He sold me the car, or we traded. He has the A4 now. Oh, I hate this intersection. Yesterday when I drove it last night, it was struggling. I mean, mainly because the clamps for the throttle body was really loose, so air was pretty much escaping the tubing, and yeah. But so far so good, guys. I'm really liking how it drives. I wish I could floor it, but Freddy said it needs a tune, so I don't blow the motor up. So I'm gonna listen to him. I had to learn how to do it. Took me like 3 days to get used to it, to be honest. But the timing on it is about the same as the Audi. I don't know why it does that. I think it's just a boost kicking the flywheel. Like, it has no escape. I don't know if the blow-off valve would fix that, but I'm pretty sure it's the boost trap in the circulation and going back to so it's like pressurized air going back to the turbo, spooling it while I shift. So as soon as I press on the clutch, it spools it even more, and that's like the leftover power from the turbo. That's what I think is going on. I don't think the clutch is giving out. Yeah, I'm gonna probably look over the engine bay again and clean up a few things, check it again just to make sure, and yeah, stay tuned, guys. I'll be posting more Subaru videos, and I haven't been paying attention to the G8 as far as maintenance wise, so I might post a couple things. I gotta do an oil change on it, and exhaust clip too, so that's gonna come up. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Peace.